Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today I am here with a new chapter from class 5, English 2. The name of the chapter is Preposition and its kinds. Here in this chapter we will study two aspects. One, prepositions, and second one is kinds of preposition. So children, what is preposition? Words that show relationship between two or more persons, places or things are called prepositions. Once again, words that show relationship between two or more persons, places or things are called prepositions. So children, you have to remember that prepositions are always to be followed by noun phrases or pronoun. Now we will see two examples. First example, you see, it is in the room. In this sentence, in is the preposition and it is followed by a noun phrase, that is the room. We will see the next example. I watch cartoons on television. In this sentence, on is the preposition and it is followed by a noun, that is television. Now we will come to the second aspect, that is kinds of preposition. We will see three kinds of preposition. First one is preposition of position. Second one, preposition of direction or movement. And third one, preposition of time. We will see the first one, prepositions of position. Preposition of positions tells us where the people or things are. It tells us about their positions. Now some preposition of position are in, on, at, under, over, above, near, between, among, across and besides. We will see two examples. The first example is, my sister is sitting near the door. In this sentence, near tells us the position of my sister. In this sentence, near is the preposition. We will see the second example. The distance between Silapathar and Dhamaji is around 28 kilometers. In this sentence, between is the preposition. Next point is preposition of direction or movement. Preposition of direction or movement suggests how people or things move and where they move to. Some prepositions of movements and directions are on, to, at, into, onto, towards, through, along and across. We will see two examples. The first example is, He walked along the beach for hours. We'll see another example. It is dangerous to walk across the railway tracks. Here in this two sentence, along and across tells us the direction or movement, and they both are prepositions. The next point is preposition of time. Preposition of time tells us when things happen. Some preposition of time are in, on, at, by, from, before, after, since, during and till. We'll see two examples. The first example is, I will go home during the summer break. The second example is, the train will leave at 7 o'clock. Here in this two sentence, during and at shows the time, and these two words are the preposition in this sentence. So, today we have studied about preposition and its kind. That's all for today. Thank you.